Hi everyone, welcome to another DP Solutions Tech Tips video. My name is Tony Solomons and I'm a support engineer at DP Solutions. Today we're going to get into multi-factor authentication and why we recommend it as a leading cybersecurity resource for all of our clients. Now more than ever, employees are operating from different locations, using personal devices to log into their company's network and access files, programs, and data. As a result, it's hard to tell who is accessing what information and how they are doing it. Implementing an MFA solution across your organization is one of the best things you can do to ensure the integrity of your data. What is multi-factor authentication? Multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short, is a verification method in which a user is granted access to an application or service after presenting two or more pieces of evidence. This evidence includes something you know, such as a password or PIN number, and something you have, such as your cell phone, security token, or authentication app. Or something you are, such as a biometric like a fingerprint or facial recognition. How does MFA keep your organization safe? Passwords are extremely susceptible to cyber attacks. Many people use the same password for multiple sites and services, such as their email account, online retailers, banking, and so on. This can leave your business vulnerable if one of their other accounts is compromised. While you should introduce a strong security password practice as part of your employees' training, MFA takes this step to the next level, since your employees will be required to use a separate method to authorize a login to their email and other accounts. MFA does not completely prevent attacks, since hackers are always finding new ways to compromise systems, but it does help tremendously by creating an extra layer of security for your important and sensitive data. How does it work? After enabling MFA on an account, the user will be asked to input two or more of the authentication methods we mentioned above each time they log in. Oftentimes, this is a password or special code generated from a text message or authentication app. If someone steals the password, they still can't access the account because they lack access to the unique and constantly changing token that only the user holds. Passwords are extremely vulnerable to attack. Using one form of authentication is simply not enough to protect your sensitive data from bad actors. Apps for authentication and back-end MFA solutions are generally not too expensive to deploy and pay dividends in dramatically reduced account compromises. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, visit our website at www.dpsolutions.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube for more content. For DP Solutions, this is Tony, signing off.